Yes, dear student, there is a question on the board. Uh, a proton of mass 1.67 in 10 power 27 kg collides elastically head-on with the alpha particle initially at rest. After collision, alpha particle moves with the speed of 8 into 5 10 power 5 meter per second. Find the speed of proton before and after collision. Mass of alpha particle 6.68 10 to the power 27 kg. Before doing this problem, I want to request all of you to learn these questions and do these questions carefully, because in every exam, whether it is exam of board or class internal exam or any competition like NDA, IAS, PCS, if you have opted physics there, then you will find question from collision necessarily. And simple, initially it looks very hard, but when you practice 5 or 10 questions, you will get the problem. So here he says the proton was at rest. Oh, sorry, alpha particle was at rest, and proton was in motion and make head-on collision, and after that they move with different velocity. Here u2 0 and u1 equal to u निकालना है. You have to find out v1. v2 is given here. How much? It is v2 here is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 5. I told you that when u2 0, then v1 is equal to u1 into m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2. Do you remember this or not? Because in general जो किया था v1 बराबर था 2m2u2 plus u1 ब्रैकेट m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 है भाई. और v2 बराबर क्या था 2m1 u1 plus u2 bracket m2 minus m1 upon m1 plus m2. So what we have to find out here, velocity of proton before collision and after collision. Before collision and यानी कि you have to find out u1 यानी कि u and v1. है भाई. तो this equation does not help because u1 also to be determined. नहीं ये कल दिखाएगा. हाँ ठीक है भाई. और v2 क्या बनेगा? अगर v2 क्या बनेगा जब u2 0 है तो v2 is equal to 2m1 u1 upon m1 plus m2. तो v2 is given to you. This u1 you have to find out, m1 m2 you know. So v2 come out to be 2 into m1 1.67 10 to the power minus 27. So v2 is given how much? 8 into 10 to the power 5 10 to the power 5 upon 1.67 plus mass of proton 6.68 into 10 to the power minus 27. You cancel. Here u1 left, sorry. And remember, this is 4 times of this. तो ये 5 हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ बचेगा 2 upon 5 into u1. So what is u1? What is u1 now? u1 is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 5 or into 2 upon 5. दैट्स ऑल। मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है आगे नहीं, 5/2, 5/2 सॉरी, 4 5 नहीं, इट इज 4 जा, तो इट इज 20 into 10⁵ meter per second was the speed of proton before collision. Now after collision, put the value of u1 here. v1 is equal to 20 into 10⁵, और m1 हमारा m है और ये -4m. I telling you this mass of aero particle 4 times. Something, such things should be noticed carefully, and it is 5m. 1 plus 4, so it is -3m into 20 into 10⁵ upon 5m. m cancel, 4 जा, to -12 into 10⁵ meter per. It means proton will go back. Proton will go back after collision. देखो ना, प्रोटॉन और ये टकरा 4 times मास था, तो after collision it will go back. So if we remember these two equations, then in competitive exam or in any exam, your problem become very simple. That is why I am doing this question, so that you can practice and get the subject very well, and don't have panic in brain कि I can't do numericals. Numericals are only learned by practice, nothing else. You know the subject, you know the mathematics. Unless you practical, you can't learn. Now second question here. Here is a very good question. It was question in our old NCERT book. In that time, class 11-12 has a common book of NCERT. At one time, we had only a single book of complete syllabus of class 11-12. At that time, this question was there. Question says here, ball of mass 2.4 kg. Mass 2.4 kg. Ball. A ball. Of mass 2.4 kg suffers an elastic head-on collision with another body, with another ball. It's ball A. A ball capital A of mass suffers head-on collision with another ball B of mass. निकालना है, हाँ भाई, at rest. After collision, ball A continues to move. After collision, ball A continues to move. Continues to move with speed 1/5 of initial. 1/5, 2/5, 1/5 of initial speed. कहता है find the mass of ball B, and ball B start moving forward. भाई बॉल AI टकराई B से, तो दोनों ही मूव करती हैं. बॉल B मूव फॉरवर्ड, बॉल A मूव विद, अगर ये वेलोसिटी u थी तो u/5, इट मूव फॉरवर्ड. नहीं दिया कितनी है, फाइंड मास ऑफ B बॉल. इसका निकालना है. आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट क्वेश्चन. A ball A of mass 2.4 kg moving in one direction collide another ball of mass unknown at rest. After collision, A continues to move with 1/5 of the initial speed, and ball B start moving forward. What is the mass of ball B? यानी M2 निकालना है. You know when V2 U2 0, again V1 is equal to U1 M1 minus M2 upon M1 plus M2. V2 2 M1 U1 upon M1 plus M2. We are given mass M1. We have to find out M2. We are not given V2. We are given V1 is 1/5 of initial. So we can, and we know M1, M2 can be determined. But simple thing is that if we remember the relation, I am stressing again, please learn V1 is equal to 2M2 U2 plus U1 bracket M1 minus M2 upon M1 plus M2. इसको याद करिए. V2 is equal to 2M1 U1 plus U2 M2 minus M1 upon M1 plus M2. अगर ये बात आपको याद है फिर आप क्वेश्चन नहीं छोड़ेंगे. अदरवाइज तो मैंने टीचर्स को देखा भागते छोड़ करके. ये इतना भारी सवाल नहीं हम करेंगे. तो नाउ V1 इज हियर हाउ मच? U1 अपॉन 5. U1 U है M1 2.4 माइनस M2 अपॉन 2.4 प्लस M2. कैंसिल, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, क्या 2.4 प्लस M2 इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 2.4 माइनस M2. इट इज 25 हो गया 120, तो 12.0 minus 5 M2. It is 6 M2 here. 12 minus 2.4. It is 9.6. है भाई. तो M2 is equal to 9.6 upon 6 means 1.6 kg. है भाई 1. So question becomes simple if we have fundamental knowledge with us. Please do good practice. I have solved 2 or 3 more questions in previous video. Just say that you become confident of collision. Head-on elastic collision. First of all, learn head-on elastic. First of all, learn what is elastic collision. I taught students yesterday collisions, and when I asked what is elastic or which collision elastic, they can't define because students are in habit that we teacher has told us, so now there is no need further. You always require revision again and again. Without revision, you can't learn even the name of your friends. We teacher forget. While I was in class, teacher in school, so I could not remember. So I used to take attendance daily by name, not 1, 2, 3. Because without knowing the name of student, I can't teach a student. It is my bad luck that you are not with me here. Now I am telling you another question here. Which is little lengthy in form of question, but question is good, not relating to collision. There are many questions still here with me regarding collision, but I think it is sufficient to tell you about collisions. Let me solve more one question for collision. A 10 kg ball moving with the speed of 8 meter per second. A ball है mass कितना भाई 10 kg हाँ भाई 10 kg U1 8 meter per second collides with mass M2 B mass है आपका 20 kg 20 kg initially at rest ठीक after collision the ball A and B move along the direction make angle 30 and 45 degree respectively with the initial direction यानी theta 1 45 theta 1 30 theta 1 30 degree and theta 2 क्या भाई 45 degree with initial direction of motion of A. Find the final speeds of both A and B. It is question of oblique collision in two dimensions. Here B ball is at rest. A is coming. इसका mass 20 kg है भाई 20 kg. Its mass is 10 kg. Its velocity is 8 meter per second. 8 meter per second, it is at rest. After collision, A goes this way, making it 30 degree, and B goes by 45 degree. So find B1 and B2. I told you in head-on elastic collision, this oblique collision again, kinetic momentum remains conserved. So here you can solve by taking components. Here M1 B1 cos 30 and this M2 B2 cos 30 this way. M2 B2 cos 30 45. It is 30. M1 B1 sin 30 this way or M2 B2 sin 45 this way. Then how to solve momentum conserved? So final momentum M1 B1 cos 30 plus M2 B2 cos 45 equal to M1 into U. वैल्यू यहाँ पर ये 20 B1 cos 30 रूट 3/2 प्लस 20 नहीं ये 10 सॉरी दिस इज 10 here 20 into B2 1/√2 equal to 10 into 8. So simply you can write this as V1 root 3/2 plus ये 2 root 2 V2 equal to 8. मैंने 10 से डिवाइड कर दिया 8. This is equation 1. Then M1 V1 sin 30 1/2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to M2 V2 sin 45 1/√2 M1 10 U1 given an 8 V1 V1 into 1/2 is equal to 20 into V2 into 1/2. Again this 10 cancel 2. So it is V1 by V1 by 2 equal to 1 by root 2. So root 2 V2. So V1 equal to 2 root 2 V2. So you have got two equations here. Put this value V1 here. You will get. Please solve. Answers are 5.85. V1 equal to 5.85 meter per second and V2 equal to 2.07 meter per second. Please solve. I have told you only by applying law of momentum. क्योंकि हमारे पास दो अननोन है, दो ही अननोन, दो इक्वेशन मिल गए हमें. There is no need to apply law of conservation of energy. You can apply that also simple. But there will be V1 square, V2 square. तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा उसमें. So you can solve this yourself now. Please work out this problem.